Hey, yo, Tyrell. Fuck a Toto. We're filming this shit, man.
Get in the water! Don't you want to see Jesus?
Cardi B at that game. And the last video, which people of course pulled out in the swipe through, is a video from that moment when
so we'll go back to that in a minute. Now if your horn's not working on this vehicle, it's located over on the passenger side.
I would have tore that ass up. Look at that fucking roller stop. I need the whole carpet shampoo or whatever. Boy had to come out the damn door. How about to say that, bro? Damn, man, they fucked up building this fucking bridge here. Fucking police. Wow. Now I gotta worry about they bitch. Everybody here motherfucking roll on. Someone up. Give him no chance. See this shit.
Keep on! Somebody scream!
Man. What's going on here? What are you doing? You just went on a red light, dummy. Don't park too close. I'm thick. They said don't park too close on thick. Hell no. That right. So I can take my registration on the angle basis and anything else, but because of year round. Hey. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we both outside. This my type. Yeah.
Ain't never saw no non-bender overnight. A dumbass.
Yeah, look at me. Hit 3 pointers on the chain. Fresh new J's. AMG switch lanes. Never been a low or lame-o. Never switched up on the gang. Street cred good always on. Let me put this cook on your face. I ain't in your business and you ain't there, can't keep it pink. I ain't stressing on you, you ain't stressing on me, boy. I don't.
Okay, I've turned Wi-Fi off.
Who do you belong to? Who do you belong to? Get them damn sidewalk. Hey, you guys on the sidewalk, man. Oh, look at this. See? This why you need to cut the fucking trees from off the road.
Instagram and talk.
Hey, Jalexis like Texas. Talk to us. Somebody lied on you?
Yes, this one dude said that we got together.
Damn trees.
What's your
Sagittarius.
What's your other ones?
What do you mean?
You know your
Rising. Okay, my rising is.
Wait, what? Not getting but Tubi? Not Tubi, but the other shit is. What the hell? They in the wrong fucking lane. What the hell lane they in? What the fuck? I can't make this shit up. Fucking Alabama. Wow. One, two, Coco. 04 Hell 7. You know? Damn, undercover. Damn, they coming. Pink ones? Oh, I like that one.
I saw a cop in the store one time. He like, you should apply to be a cop. You must be a cop. I said no with that. If I'm let these folks go. I don't care who else I speak. Yeah.
What funeral this is? Night Hawk. I thought I got on fire. Damn. That's how you use a fire truck. You see me with a goddamn lawnmower in my hand. You doing all that shit.
Look at Tyler Perry. He's always carried himself with integrity. He's always done so much to uplift each other, especially our community. He's hired so many different people.
I'm searching for a real love.
Coming at me now. I'm cool. I'm not the snitch. I don't go to the cops to get rich. I go to the block and pitch. I go with the and click. I go with the I'm sick. I go with you hard. I ain't gonna stop. Look at my eyes, dog. Right in my pupils. If I'm your rival, why would I have to do you? Fresh try to throw dirt in my name, disturbing my game. Seem happy when they heard he was a rain. Girl, he's indicted. Got big money, big lawyers to fight. Just like Cochran. So, cause you never see me boxed in. Y'all all know it. Chick is a fighter. Plus I'm claustrophobic. Back on the streets before you know it. I'm a word. I heard you. I'ma dress each and every one of you suckers. The white
Took off your box and your own for your man. And I see higher than you. I from the water still blue. Rum like red, rhythm and bass. I don't wanna leave at you.
Let's again look into the Arkansas. What's popping tonight?
And everybody can put it, not everybody, but a lot of people can put that on you. But not a lot of people can, in that conversation, make you feel like you Superman without you having to.
Alabama. This motherfucker. Oh, we ran the fuck out of that. Oh, hell no. Damn. See. Yeah, no. Yeah. Don't you run that goddamn stop sign. Pulling out the front cup. God damn. What the fuck is y'all doing, man? Damn. It's the third fucking turn y'all done made and ain't went nowhere. Shit.